Hello traders, before I get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I am reviewing the GoldAngelEA for MT5 and I'll be going through it step by step on the MQL5 marketplace. Right at the top here, I can see that this expert advisor is built specifically for automated trading on gold, XAUUSD. So anyone using this EA will have to use it on XAUUSD. The EA is priced at $543 currently at version 3.26. And it was last updated on December 22nd, 2025. It also shows 5 activations, which is something to keep in mind if you were planning to use it across multiple accounts. Now, moving into the description, the developer presents this as a fully automated gold trading system designed to analyze market data and identify potential entry and exit points. Now, it also highlights support for different approaches like scalping and news-based trading, which suggests it is designed to adapt to different market conditions. One important point here is that it is built with a focus on risk management, and it clearly states there is no greed and no martingale. All right. So that is something many traders usually look out for when evaluating EAs. It also mentions features like dynamic stop loss handling, multiple closing methods, and profit protection tools. All right, which are aimed at managing trades more actively rather than just letting them run passively. Now, moving over to the trading setup requirements, it is designed specifically for XAUUSD on the M5 time frame with a recommended minimum deposit of 500 US dollars, and it suggests using ECN or raw spread accounts for better execution quality. A VPS is also recommended to keep it running continuously. So now I'm going to move into the backtesting section and take a look at how it performed historically on gold under these conditions. All right, so we're going to be testing the GoldAngel EA on gold on the M5 time frame, right? So this is the GoldAngel EA. XAUUSD is the symbol. M5 time frame. We are running the test from the beginning of the year till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. As for the delays, we used the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, and here we go, right? So this is the chart history. We can see that this EA is the type to, sometimes you might have a few trades within the space of 5 minutes, because each of these candles represents 5 minutes, and we can see here, there seems to be only one trade executed here and here, but in this case you can see about 2 or 3 trades. We can see based on the history here about 2 or 3 trades, if not more, we are executed here within that 5 minute candle, and we can see here 2 trades within this 5 minute candle, here just one. All right, and then you can see there is reasonable spacing between trades, when the EA is looking for good opportunities in the market. So looking at the historical results here, what I'm focusing on is how consistently it managed risk, how trades were managed over time, and how it's reacted during different market phases on XAUUSD. So from a strategy perspective, it appears to be more focused on controlled entries with predefined risk protection rather than aggressive trade stacking, especially since it avoids greed and martingale logic. Let's just quickly go to the results themselves, and we can see that this EA, from an initial deposit of $100,000, yielded a total net profit of $92,755,073.85. Total trades taken were 3,968. The the largest profit was 359,400. The largest loss was 803,100. The average profit was 40,559.79. The average loss was 36,226.43. So from what I can see here, the risk to reward ratio isn't exactly bad, right? The risk to reward ratio isn't bad, even though that it's not far from 1:1. Okay. But then out of these 3,968 total trades, the short trades were 2014 with a 67.48% win rate. The long trades were 1,954 with 88.08% win rate. Okay, so the win rate is quite, impressive, especially for the long trades. The short trades, the win rate is just okay, right? So having this nice win rate, the risk to reward ratio being around 1:1, in that case, it's not really bad. All right. It's no wonder that we had an impressive total net profit, because when you combine the win rates with the risk to reward ratio, it is expected to have, something notable as the total net profit. But remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Now, even though these are historical backtest results, it is important to remember that performance can vary in live markets depending on spreads, execution, broker conditions, and your own risk settings. So I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself to really understand how the EA behaves across different market environments. Okay, so overall, the Gold Angle EA presents itself as a structured gold trading system with a focus on automation and risk control. But like always, it is best to test and optimize the expert advisor properly before considering any live deployment. All right. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.